Taizhou Yongzheng Automobile Parts Co. Limited, an innovative automotive parts manufacturer since 1997, is dedicated to developing and producing the critical chassis suspension parts, sway bars, and the accessories. Over the 20 years, we transformed from product diversification to specialized production, aiming to create suspension solutions to provide better stability, handling, and control in on- and off-road applications. Taizhou Yongzheng is renowned as one of the best suspension parts manufacturers in all markets and global applications. We own complete production line with no outsourcing for prep or post-op work, forging, cutting, forming, heat treating, fabrication, shop peening, powder coating, and QC check testing. It all happens here under one roof. All sway bars are made of high-strength spring steel. As an IATF 16949 2016 certified enterprise, we have strict control from raw material to finished goods. Each sway bar is verified by special fixture. Goods are conducted various tests, including salt spray test, fatigue test, etc. Our sway bars can reach 480 HS without rust during salt spray test and over 300,000 cycles for fatigue test. All our parts are tried and tested in harsh conditions, ensuring our goods will perform no matter the task or terrain. We have thousands of sway bars with different specifications for various applications and achieved more than 50 patents. All modes and tooling are designed and built in-house. Products are widely used in various applications, including passenger cars, classic cars, racing cars, SUV, ATV, UTV, electrical and engineering vehicles, etc. Applicable for Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Toyota, Volkswagen, General Motors, Land Rover, and other car brands. Taizhou Yongzheng, a leading manufacturer in sway bar industry.